sites. The State Cabinet yesterday approved the proposal to extend the present terms of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months. Since the terms of both the councils will be expired on 5th March 2024, the extension will be effective from that date. Informing this, Deputy Chief Minister in charge District Council Affairs, President Tinsong, said that the state government will send this recommendation to the governor for approval and for issuing necessary orders on the same. Last year, the governor granted both the ADCs for the constitution of the delimitation committees as per the prescribed guidelines, and following an assessment, the delimitation committees had asked the executive committees of both Khadc and Jhadc for an extension.
The Cabinet this evening has approved the proposal for extension of the present terms of both Khadc and Jhadc District Council for another 6 months. And this term for another 6 months, meaning because the term of both these two district councils will be expired in the month of March, 5th March 2024.
The State Cabinet yesterday approved the Meghalaya multi-sectoral project